Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 20th to the 26th. Oh my gosh, we're almost in September. So we're going to look at the best deals this week over at Walgreens, and it's a pretty exciting little flyer. Just to remind you guys, this is in fact a preview. On Sunday, August the 20th, all of the digital coupons along with the full ad will be published with all of the fine print, so that we're just kind of like speculating, doing our thing. So just keep that in your back pocket. Another thing that we're going to discuss is that these boosters are still valid right up until Saturday the 26th. They are of a one-time use, so if you didn't use yours, you can still use them. You have the opportunity. They are unfortunately not stacking, and they're very persnickety of what they will and will not attach to. It's kind of strange, but if you've watched my videos this week, you kind of have an idea of what I'm talking about. Question we have again is if one of those will stack with the percentage off. This is no great shakes, but if you're spending $40 and getting $4 back, it's better than nothing. I broke down the math. This is valid till the 21st. If you spend $10, you get $1 back, and so on and so forth. Pretty easy to follow. Remember, as this is a spend offer, you got to use your debit card for the balance to earn this. For example, if you decide to use $50 in Walgreens cash to buy whatever in this store, you're not going to get $5 back. They are a casino that does not like to lose. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big thumbs up, I would so appreciate it. It really helps me out and the channel if you could take a quick second and like this video. First deal that we're going to talk about is the Garnier Fructis 2 for $8. When you spend $10, you're going to get a $3 reward back. Please pay attention to that because you're $2 short just grabbing 2 of them. So for this deal, we're going to grab 3 of the Garnier products for $12 on the nose. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're going to pay $9, get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per hair product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster, but a little deal for $2 a piece. Now we're going to talk about a freebie, which is the $3 Crest or Oral-B products. We're getting a 6 off of 4 digital plus a $6 register reward when you buy 4. Grabbing 4 of the cheapest products, probably some Crest toothpaste, that'll be $12 on the nose. Subtracting our 6 off 4 digital coupon that'll be showing up on Sunday morning, you're paying $6, getting back a $6 register reward, making this free. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you're not doing this in concert with a booster, definitely load that 6 off of 4 digital because that is a powerful coupon. Okay, now we have the Dial body wash. This is a weird one, guys, because for whatever reason, we haven't had a lot of deals. I believe the company that owns Dial is Henkler. They also own Persil, and they really haven't been giving us much, but we have a little deal. Putting 3 of these Dial body washes into your basket, that's going to be $10.50. The third one will ring up for $3.50, just to note that. Subtracting the 2 off 2 digital, that will be showing up on Sunday morning. You're going to pay $8.50, get back a $5 register reward for buying 3. It makes it $3.50 for the 3 or $1.16 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay this down if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. But to get Dial body wash for $1.16, they haven't provided. Not since last winter we've had this deal, so definitely this is a stock up week. If you are a fan of the Dial, is the bar soap included, yay or nay? That's what I'm curious about too. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Dawn dish soap for $1.24. Earn a $1 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these gorgeous dish soaps, that's $2.48. Getting back a $1 register reward. You're looking at $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. A little word to the wise if you wanted to say do this deal twice. 2 separate transactions because that $1 register reward will only print once per transaction. So if you were going to grab 4, you would do it in 2 separate transactions and get $2 register rewards. Now, this deal is back 4 for $9 on the Tide Simply, Bounce, Downy, all those good laundry care products by P&G. Grabbing 4 of the Tides for $9. I would also throw in $1 candy. For a total of 10, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay down the tax. And remember, I'm doing this deal without a booster. I just want some cheap laundry care products. If you're a newer couponer with $10 of Walgreens cash, and if you think this is a solid deal, I would by all means make it happen. Okay, and now we're looking at the Nivea lotions, $5 reward when you spend 15 or more. Now here's the goofy thing, because just for fun, I found these cheaper, like it's 50% off this Radiant Body one. If you can find 3 of those, that's the way to go. But also tagged on the website is 7 back when you spend 25. And even though I'm putting 25 in a basket right now, I'm not getting my $7 back. So yeah, even the regular schmegular priced Nivea. But if this is working, grab 3 of these on clearance in store for $16.47. Get your $5 back in Walgreens cash, because this is a spend offer. You're going to have to pay that $16.47 with your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash. But that 25 back, or the 7 back when you spend 25, is that going to be working on Sunday, or is it like more stupidity on their part? Because this hasn't worked all week, this dumb booster. So we'll have to wait and see. But there's something up. This potentially could be a deal. Maybe we'll have to wait till Monday to see what happens with this one. But this is possibly a deal. Now, we all have our preferences on vitamins and supplements, and I know a lot of you are kind of like, you like the nicer stuff. So definitely these Oli vitamins are a lot better. They're just a top tier vitamin than like a Nature's Truth or a Centrum. That's how they've marketed them, and I know a lot of you really enjoy them. So this is the deal for you. They're $11.99. We have this booster that's working with all of the supplements, including the 15 back when you spend 30, which is like 50% back on supplements, which is a really fantastic one. So if you didn't use it last week, make sure you have it loaded. And then this one, you'd have to use it by Monday. Which is the 10% back. And I'm pretty sure it's going to stack with the other one. Obviously, you could throw 3 in a cart to see at home how it works out. And IBOTTA is giving back $4 for 1 of these, only 1. So putting 3 of these into a basket or your cart at Walgreens, it'll be $35.97. You're going to have to pay that with your debit card because you have the boosters loaded. You're getting back $15 of Walgreens cash for the overall booster, another $3.50 back for the 10%, $4 back from IBOTTA, making it $13.47 for the 3, or $4.49 for each container of vitamins. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as you're using 2 different boosters in this one. Okay, the Cottonelle for $4.99. That is always a crowd pleaser. You know what I would do if this is just your absolute favorite toilet paper? Put 2 of them in your cart. That's $9.98. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and just pay down the tax. Shopkick had a rebate for the last couple of weeks. Is it still there? You probably can get $1 back from that app. But yeah, just cheap toilet paper. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. I want to know the digital coupons for the Venus and Gillette for Sunday morning, because it's going to be a $4 reward, $8. If there's a $3 or $5 coupon, this potentially could have a deal with a couple wheels on it, because it's going to be so fantastic. With the Tide, it's back down to $12.99, and then 2 for $20 for the light. And we have $3 digitals that are attaching. So this potentially could be a very good curbside deal Monday morning moving forward. We have the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Kellogg's. Will IBOTTA grace us with some sort of rebate for that? And $2.98 for the Walgreens brand nuts. We also have the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Complete Home bags, like for cooking, very similar to Ziploc or Glad. So it shakes it out to 93 cents, because you're going to pay $2.79 for the first. So $2.79 divided by 3, 93 cents per. And then for all of the ladies that love hemps, and the gentlemen out there, $3 off coupon. So that's going to be very interesting what we can get. And that is a really glorious lotion. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.